What is 12 plus 7? Yes, the answer is 19. What do you get when you subtract 18 from 35? That's right, it's 17. What is 9 times 6? Correct. The answer is 54. What is 56 divided by 7? Good one. It's 8. What do you get when you add 15 and 24? Yep, the answer is 39. What is 100 minus 75? Nice job, it is 25. What is 7 multiplied by 8? Exactly, the answer is 56. What is 72 divided by 9? Yes, the answer is 8. What do you get when you add 25 and 36? Perfect, the result is 61. What is 144 divided by 12? Correct. The answer is 12. What is 18 times 5? Great work. The answer is 90. What do you get when you subtract 27 from 64? You got it. The answer is 37. What is the square root of 81? Exactly. The answer is 9. What is 9 squared? That's right, it's 81. What do you get from 20 plus 15 minus 18? Yes, the answer is 17. What is 15 multiplied by 14? Correct. The answer is 210. What is 256 divided by 16? Great. The answer is 16. What is the square root of 196? Yes, the answer is 14. What is 11 times 11? That's right. The answer is 121. What do you get when 45 minus 18 is divided by 9? Perfect. The answer is 3.